Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add music from library on Rednote. So if you have joined the Rednote recently and you want to add your songs or maybe you just want to import any music from your library for your videos, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you just have to simply open the Rednote app. Once the app gets open, you will get to its homepage. In the homepage, you can see we have five different options at the bottom. The middle one is the plus icon where we use to create or upload videos. So you just have to simply click onto that plus icon. After clicking onto it, you just have to simply select your media from your mobile phone, or you can also record at the moment whatever you would like to upload. And at the top we have this option for choose music. You can click onto it, and the first option is library. You can click onto it, and after that you will find discover and my collection, two options. In the discover you will find all the music that are available on the red note, and in my collection if you have saved any music or you kind of have created any sort of collection, it will appear there and you can just simply use any music or sound on your video. So that's it. This is how you can add music from library on Rednote. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.